In this episode, I'm going to show you how to find your Instagram username and password. Finding your username is quite pretty simple. Let's navigate to this icon on the bottom right corner. Click it. On the top left corner, you can see your username. Mine is tech.4.good. Now, to find your password, locate this three ellipses on the top right corner and click it. Proceed to settings, then locate security. In here, you have to click on save login information. If this is toggled off, make sure it's toggled on. After that, move out of the Instagram app and locate your Gmail application and click it. On the top right corner, click on your icon, then proceed to manage your Google account. When you scroll right to this, you will see security. Click on security. Scroll down till you locate password manager and click it. Right here, you could see Google have saved a backup of all our passwords that we ever have. So here I'm interested in Instagram, so I'll proceed to click on Instagram. I was prompted to enter the screen lock to use my PIN. Once here, my Gmail has been able to back up all my passwords that I'm having in Instagram. So all I need is to click the eye icon to view this password. In case you have any question, don't forget to leave a comment under the comment section. To see many content like this, consider subscribing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.